Yep, hi all, here's a new toy. So yeah, this is my DeLorean, August 1982, and it was delivered to me on Saturday. So I've had a couple of hours on it, just doing a few little bits and pieces. So that's it there. So this is a project. So the VIN number is 16639. Came from Canada around 4 weeks ago altogether, and I bought it, say, 1 week ago. So just as a project. I wanted to get a couple of sort of quick videos that's all before I start to do too much on it. So we've got the badge at the front. Just a few points, you know, it's been resprayed on here. You can see the original paint. It was very, very dirty. I've literally just washed it and hoovered it. That's all so far. Oh, actually, sorry, and put on the new bonnet struts that the previous guy who imported it kindly gave to me. So yeah, give a bit of start to clean it out in there. Obviously, it's basically found plenty of these sorts of things, leaves, debris, all that sort of stuff everywhere. So you can sort of see that I've started to clean it. This is also full, so I removed the wiper arms, the grill, removed all the dirt, started to sort of hoover out all the dirt and leaves, you know, in the box down here. Start to give a bit of a sort of wipe around in there. Actually, I just realised, yeah, that is actually on there. I didn't realise I had that sticker, so that's good to know. Thanks to somebody on the forum for telling me that it was there. Now I realise it is actually there. I've got the spare, the jack kit. As you can see, it's very rusty now because the jack is incredibly rusty. But it does come its original jack along with the winder and the case, and a few spanners, which we don't think are original. So that's all good there. Nice wheels. So the body panels look really nice, which is good. Comes with one key, so I've got a spare key cut as well, which works perfectly, which is great. Quick look inside here. So I'm holding the door a little bit. There's a little bit of bounce on there when it gets to the top. Again, one of the guys sort of said, you know, might be able to adjust the torsion bar to stop it from springing up so much. This is all good. So I've literally just cleaned it. Well, just did a basic clean. Got rid of lots of sort of the dirt, etc. from in the gaps around here, and lots of sort of the dirt around the edges. You know, things that this obviously I'll sort out. This is a sort of project for the next 6 months. Got really nice, if you can see that on the video, really nice black seats. Lovely, they're lovely. You know, the usual sort of cracked binnacle, lots of sort of dust, you know, which I haven't got to that part there yet. It's got, of course, the miles per hour speedo with actually 73,000 miles on there. Manual. That door actually over there doesn't open at all with the key or pulling the handle. Someone did actually suggest last night that I should actually connect up, you know, 12 volts and see if you know, it opens that way. So I'm guessing there's some sort of solenoid in there. Again, I haven't got the user manual yet, so I'm going to get that next month, you know, when I get paid. The seats do move backwards and forwards now. Just this is all quite sort of tough, you know, in here, but I can open it now. So again, I've removed the cover. The carpet is full of like oils and liquids and stuff in there, and one of them had spilt, so it basically saturated the sponge and the carpet in some sort of brake fluid. It's pretty disgusting, but yeah, that's all sort of drying out and how I'm being cleaned and washed. Comes with some phono leads or some audio leads, audio jack leads, some sort of old skateboard in the back. Got the battery cover there, so that's a different battery that I'm using. Sorry about the poor camera work. This is just a quick video before I start to clean up stuff, that's all. So that's that one. And then look at the back. So you can see it's very, very faded on there. I've sort of left it unlocked, you know. The front cable for the front hood, that's snapped, so I'd have to pull it with my hand. So I'll have to sort out a replacement cable for that. It's one of the first jobs, or one of the next jobs. So yep, not really clean it, just a quick wipe over. We put the catch on. Again, Again, the rear bumper's been sprayed as well. I mean, it's a nice spray job. It's got a few cracks here and there. You know, actually mostly down this corner here actually. But otherwise, most of it's actually fine. I mean, in the future, of course, ideally I'd remove that, get back to the original paint or original finish, or possibly respray it, of course. But for now, just to keep me going, it looks cool still, and the whole car looks absolutely awesome. And there's good panels down there. Again, sort of lots of dust and dirt, but looks really nice. And then the engine. Haven't done anything on it at all in the engine other than just hoover out, say, lots of leaves and giving it a bit of a sort of quick wipe over. Otherwise, nothing's been turned. Haven't turned anything. I plan to empty out the fuel tank. Obviously, do some research as well. Clean out the fuel pump filters, that sort of stuff. Replace fuel hoses as required, or all the fuel hoses, and then get the battery, and then of course try to start it and change the oil as well. That's the kind of general gist of it. But yeah. Engine looks, I mean, it all looks complete. I think there's, apart from this one big pipe down here, I know it says a big pipe that's not attached to this. And then obviously that's loose for whatever the reason that's loose for. Yep, I mean, it all looks good, and it looks pretty clean, I'd say. Nice lights, nice exhaust. Obviously put the joke plate on it just for a laugh, you know. Yeah, absolutely love it. It smells lovely, smells old. Smells absolutely awesome. Oh, it's too dark in here now. You're running out of light now. Now we're going from work. It's just not enough time anymore. And there's the details there. Absolutely love this car. Absolutely love it. And that bonnet, you know, looks completely and utterly mint. That bonnet does. Down to the DeLorean logo down there. Absolutely fabulous car. See, the plan is to say to get it running, sort out the chassis, which has definitely got some sort of a lot of the under seal, as well as the paint that it's stuck to. The epoxy paint is peeled off a lot around the sort of front area here. So I'm guessing it's probably something to do with, you know, some of these fluids may have leaked, or might just be an area that it's started to peel and it's just got worse. Whereas the back end, you know, from initial looks good. So yeah, and there we go. My first ever DeLorean car. Absolutely love it. Nice one. So this is October 2018, located in Dorset, England, from Canada.